Here's how to create a logo, make it transparent, and add it to any video of your choice, all on your mobile phone. So let's get started. First, we're going to start in Canva. We're going to push the little plus sign. We're going to go to custom size. I always use 2048 by 2048. You're going to put the plus sign again, and then you're going to do text. Add text, and then write obviously your brand name into an empty box. Then you're going to go ahead and move it to the middle, and you're going to go to your font size and make it bigger so you can see what you're doing, obviously. And then once you do that, you're going to go ahead and choose your font. There's so many different fonts. I love this font. This is what I chose. Then you're going to change your color into whatever your logo color is. Mine is gold, purple, and green. So once you pick your color there, you're going to go to plus, and you're going to go to elements, and my name is trademark, so I'm going to put the little R by it. And you see this little dot there on the outside of all your photos that you're going to upload. That's how you're going to make everything smaller or bigger. And that little cross right there is how you're going to actually move the photo. If you try to move the photo just by pressing the R, you will see that it on the phone is a little bit harder. But you'll see that it'll make it bigger and smaller. So just go ahead and stay with pressing the little plus sign in order to just move it around. Then you're going to press your name, click the little three dots, and you're going to lock in your logo. And you're going to do the same thing for your trademark. And that way it won't move all around when you're trying to design it. Quick little tip. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and add my crown. My name is Queen Sanity, so I'm going to choose a crown. And I did choose this crown out of all the crowns there are there. There's a lot of options on Canva. That's why I love it. You see this little arrow going both ways. That's how you move it over. Like you kind of just turn it a little bit. And I'm going to place the crown right above my Q. Now, my brand is Natural Healing Herbal Hair Care. So I'm trying to add some form of green to it. So you're going to have to play around with stuff. If you want to make something transparent, make it a little bit lighter, you're going to just click the transparency button and move it all the way over to make anything lighter. But I didn't like any of those, so I added a circle with like a leaf, and I love that design. But this is going on video, so I needed to make it smaller. So I figured let's add it to over the Q. So here I am right now. I'm going to go ahead and lock the crown as well, just to make sure nothing moves when I am trying to place this circle around the Q properly. So you're going to just keep playing with it, and you can do anything you need. If you have a t-shirt business, put a t-shirt behind it, I don't know, and then transparency and make it a little lighter. But whatever you want to do, you can do here on Canva. So what I end up doing was I end up adjusting it and changing it to make it a little bit darker so you can see the full picture, see that it's actually something there. And then I end up going ahead and just making it a little bit smaller to fit around the Q perfectly, and voila. Now you're going to go up to the top, up to the top right, and you're going to click download. And when you download, you will see this little arrow here. You will see they do give you the option of JPG files, but you see there's no transparency there. So you're going to go back and you're just going to go ahead and click the PNG, which is suggested, and you're going to move this little circle here all the way over, and yes, the file will be big, but it will be clear, no blurriness. Then you're going to hit transparent background and save download settings for you. Now this is going to come up in your photos, and it's going to look white on the background, but when you add it to a video like I'm about to do right now, it'll come up transparent. Now this is in Inshot app. I've been using this for so long. Whatever app you have, just find where you can add a photo, and you're going to go to choose from your camera roll. And when you're in your camera roll, it should be the first one there, and voila, yay, your logo is completely transparent. You can add it to photos, you can add it to videos in any app that you are using. Like I said, I'm using InShot because this is my favorite. And that's it, guys. And if you're in InShot, click this little arrow button and go to video end, and it'll do it for the entire video, so you don't have to keep adding it in there. And that is literally it. Please share, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and come back and follow for more. Thank you.